Hello students, in present scenario, if you want to prepare a project or if you want to get knowledge about any topic, what do? You ask it with your elders or friends, you search it in a book, or you try to find the answer yourself, or you search it on internet. I think most of you try to get the answer with the help of internet. So today we are going to discuss about internet, about social media in our today's chapter, that is social media curse or boon. So now I am going to explain the chapter. Today technology is taking over almost all spheres of human existence. If you talk about today's world, you can get the technology everywhere, like computer, mobile phones, fridge, washing machine. These all are the result of technology. Computers and mobiles have become an unavoidable part of our daily lives. Whatever we are doing nowadays, we take help of computers, we take help of mobile phones to get our answers. What is the meaning of unavoidable? Unavoidable is an adjective and its meaning is necessary. This has given rise to the modern day phenomenon of social media. Social media is a term used to describe the interaction between virtual communities of groups or individuals in which they produce, share and exchange ideas over the internet. What is social media? Social media is a platform with the help of which we can share our information, videos, picture, and even we can get knowledge of so many topics. What is the meaning of interaction? Interaction is a noun and its meaning is communication. They can also share videos, pictures and all kinds of information over the internet. Some of the common examples include Facebook, Twitter and Instagram among others. Now, which social networking sites we are using to share our information, pictures? These social networking sites are Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. There are many advantages of social media. Now, what is the meaning of advantages? Advantages is a noun and its meaning is benefits. So if we talk about social media, we are having a number of benefits of this social media. The ability to connect with people across geographical and cultural barriers is perhaps a unique and very useful feature of social media. What is the most important feature of social media? We can connect with anyone who is sitting very far across geographical and cultural barriers. Professionals use these platforms to discuss their work and reach out to a wider group of peers. Now, what professionals are doing? Professionals are doing their official work with the help of these social media, with the help of this internet. You can take example of your teachers also. Teachers are teaching with the help of this social media. Sometimes teachers are teaching on Zoom meeting. Sometimes they are sending you videos. So these all things are happening with the help of internet. Students can use these platforms to get in touch with fellow students and teachers from around the world and get a more enriching learning experience. Now, what help the students can get with the help of this social media? They can get knowledge, they can search any information, they can connect with the friends, they can connect with the teachers, not only their own teachers, they can connect the teachers all around the world. People are no longer limited by the constraints of time and space. Now, what is the meaning of constraints? Constraints is a noun and its meaning is limitation. It means like if you are taking help of internet, if you are taking help of social media, you can study at any time, at any place. This has opened immense possibilities for everyone. What is the meaning of immense? Immense is an adjective and its meaning is huge. Now this internet, this social media has given us a very wide platform to study, to get knowledge. Consider this instance. A music student sitting in London can take guitar lessons from a teacher in India over YouTube. Now a music student who is sitting in London, he can take classes, he can take online classes from a teacher who is sitting in India. This is just because of social media, this is just because of internet. Twitter allows you to see what people are talking about across the world. With the help of Twitter, you can see what is going around the world, what people are talking around the world. Facebook allows you to make new friends from all around the world. With social media, people can share their collective wisdom and experiences among themselves. Now, what is the meaning of wisdom? Wisdom is a noun and its meaning is intelligence or understanding, insight. So with the help of this social media, people can share their knowledge, people can share their insight and experiences with each other. It doesn't matter if one lives in India or Africa. One is part of an ever-shrinking global village. It doesn't matter whether you belong to India or whether you belong to Africa or New Zealand. You can share your content, you can share your information, knowledge, pictures, video with anyone. People, especially teenagers, are getting addicted to these sites. Nowadays, people and mainly young boys and girls, teenagers meaning is young boys and girls, are getting addicted to these sites. They are getting habitual of these sites. What is the meaning of addicted? Addicted is an adjective and its meaning is dependent or habitual. Despite the advantages, one must not forget that the virtual world cannot ignore the importance of actual human relationships. It's good that we are connecting with the people who is sitting very far, but we should not forget the actual experience, the actual feeling of human relationship. Teenagers are among the heaviest users of social networking. Children today are growing up surrounded by these interactive websites, making social media a vital aspect of their lives. What is the meaning of vital? Vital is an adjective and its meaning is essential, necessary. So nowadays children are using these social networking sites a lot, and if we talk about today's world, these social networking sites are a very important part, a very necessary, a very essential part of these children. The constant urge to stay connected has exposed them to problems. Now there are a number of problems of using these internet also, such as social network induced obesity. What is the meaning of obesity? Obesity is a noun and its meaning is fatness. Now, instead of playing physical games, instead of doing physical activities, children are sitting at a place and they are using their mobile. So, due to which obesity, or you can say fatness, is increasing in children. Internet addiction, this is another problem. They are getting addicted, they are getting habitual of internet, and loss of sleep. And just because of using so much social networking sites, they are having the problem of sleep also. They are not getting proper sleep. As kids get more addicted to these websites, they tend to spend more time indoors. Now instead of playing outdoor games, children are playing more games that are indoor. So they are not getting appropriate amount. Appropriate meaning is it is an adjective and its meaning is required or relevant, or you can say proper. So due to overuse of this internet, students are not getting required amount of physical activities. They are not doing any type of physical exercise. This can lead to long-term health issues. Spending too much time online robs one of real-world experience. Nowadays, what people do, they sit at a corner and they are using just their mobile. So they are not getting interacted with each other in real world. This may hurt one's grades in school and may also disturb the overall development of a child. Due to overuse of this social networking sites, the overall development of a child also get affected. Many teenagers find it difficult to socialize in the real world as they spend too much time in the virtual world. What is the meaning of virtual? Virtual meaning is not real. And virtual is an adjective. So due to overuse of this social networking sites, children are facing problem in being socialized in real world. They are not able to talk with the people in real world. Social loneliness and growing depression are very common problems among youngsters today. Few more problems are there that they are getting depressed. Depression problem is increasing in children. Cyberbullying is another major concern. One of the major concern is cyberbullying. Now what is cyberbullying? Cyberbullying is when people attack each other on the internet. Teenagers are the biggest victim of cyberbullying. What is cyberbullying? When you tease each other on internet. And teenagers, these young boys and girls are the main target of this cyberbullying. It often includes insulting messages and sharing private information of the person being bullied. Now how can you bully a person on internet? You can send insulting message and even you can share private information through which cyberbullying is taking place nowadays. Since internet is very difficult to monitor, children may also be exposed to content which is not suitable to their age. Privacy is one of the biggest problem of these websites. Just because of not having proper privacy, sometimes children open some links which are not relevant to their age. Today there are people lurking in these sites only to collect personal data of the users. What is the meaning of lurk? It is a verb and its meaning is wait. Hackers, spam artists and stalkers use the advantage of anonymity to gather information about consumers. Nowadays so many hackers are there, spam artists are there. And what is the meaning of stalker? Stalker is a person who harasses someone with unwanted attention. So these hackers are what they are doing, they only want to collect the data of the consumers. Even companies that operate social networks are collecting a variety of data about their users, both to personalize their service and to sell this data to advertisers. Now, not only these hackers, some companies are also there who are doing their work, who are operating social networking sites. They also collect the data of the consumers for personalizing their service as well as to sell this data to the advertisers. The kind of information that such people are after includes pictures, personal details, interest, location, etc. what these hackers, what these companies can collect. They can collect your pictures, they can collect your personal details, interest and location. They then try to find ways in which they can exploit that data for their own advantage. What is the meaning of exploit? Exploit is a verb and its meaning is use or utilize. Now after getting the data, they want to use this data for their own purpose. It is easy to hide one's identity on social media, and that makes it difficult to track such people. It's not necessary that in these social websites you fill your own entry. You can fill any other's entry, you can fill anyone's detail, and you can use these social websites. So it's very difficult to track anyone who is misusing these social websites. Hence, one must always be careful about what one shares online. So students, we should always be very careful what we are going to upload on these social networking sites. Personal pictures and information should never be shared on a public forum. We should not share our personal pictures, our information, our personal detail. Always read the privacy policy of a website before using it. Make your data viewable to only your family and friends. Avoid websites that allow public viewing of your profile. These are some precautions that you can take while using a website. Being careful is only the precaution one can take while using such platforms. Students, never share your personal details such as your age, your birthday, your home address, your personal pictures, your personal details, your details about your parents. Never share these things on social networking sites. It is also not wise to publicize vacation plans. Suppose you are going to visit anywhere, you are going to have a vacation anywhere, never share these plans on social networking sites. There have been cases where burglars have used this information to rob houses. Sometimes it happened that someone had shared his vacation plans on social networking sites, and these had become the reason of robbing of their house. These websites have become an integral part of our lives today. No doubt these sites are very important, very essential part of our life. Despite the disadvantages, it is not possible to ignore them. However, we must be sensible to use these websites to our benefit and not let them take over our lives entirely. What is the meaning of sensible? Sensible is an adjective and its meaning is practical, responsible, wise. So students, while using these websites, we should be very intelligent, we should be very wise, and we should not let these websites to take over our lives completely. Entirely is an adverb and its meaning is completely. So students, this is all about the chapter. Thank you so much.